Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share my Easter project with you all. So this is Easter 2018. It's an Easter egg and it's done up with the whole scenery here, guys. We've got flowers, we've got cute little characters here, a sentiment. We've got Easter eggs even hidden here in the grass and all the way around, some butterflies. And it's just really cute, very pretty. I had this on my coffee table, my dining table as a home decor piece. So here on the egg, you've got a pocket here. So you can add whatever you want, photos, journaling cards, again, whatever, guys. The egg opens up like so to reveal an album. So it's just really, really, really pretty. I absolutely love the way this turned out. So it closes nice and tidy. When you stand it up, the egg is actually on an angle, like it's, ready to tip over. It's not standing straight up. So it looks really, really cute. It's just really hard to show. Oh, there. It's really hard to show in this camera angle, but it's just so super cute. These die cut pieces are available in my shop if you want to pick them up. You do not have to cut it out. If you want to cut it out yourself, I do have an SVG file available when you purchase the tutorial. So you can cut it out using a cutting machine, not a PDF, an SVG file. All right. Otherwise, you can pick up the pre-cut pieces in my shop. Alrighty. And the album that goes along with this one is this super cute one. I did a little shaker window here. Let me talk to you about paper very quickly. I use the Hello Easter by Echo Park. All right. Hello Easter. And then I used Easter Blessings by PhotoPlay. So Easter Blessings by PhotoPlay. And I use the paper collection. So that means I use the entire thing. Have a few little pieces here and there left over. I did use the die cut pieces that coordinate with this paper as well. And some enamel dots. Okay. But all of this information will be in the tutorial and the supply list. So the links for the egg and album are down below. The link for the album alone are down below if you just want to make the album. So this album is so cute. I'm calling this one my pop-up surprise album because it's a lot of fun. I absolutely channeled the kid inside when I made this album. I'm definitely a kid at heart, so it's just really cute. So instead of a whole shaker album or cover like I've done in the past, I did a shaker window in the album, and it's so well done, guys. I mean, you're really gonna enjoy making this. It's really easy, and of course I put a little shaky elements in there for some fun. So when we open up, we get this beautiful spread of pages and all sorts of fun things. So we got a simple shallow pocket here with a bunch of goodies. All right, here, this is a play on a regular frame. Okay, I decided to leave the frame open so you can put things on the outside of the frame. Then when you slide this out, this is where you access all of the items in your pocket. All right, if you don't put them in the wrong way. All right, so you pull them out right through here. You don't necessarily have to dig in the pocket or have anything sticking out if you don't want to, but you can if you want to. Otherwise, you can just pull them out of here. If you have anything larger, as you can see, you put it in through here. All right, so this is a photo mat, and of course, it's the closure to the pocket, if you will. All right, so you can put your items in here, and you slide it. You can keep this on the outside if you want to. So it's kind of fun. You get things on the inside as well as the outside. So I did say this is a pop-up album, and there's a surprise as well. Oh, these go in here. So I just really love this open frame. I think it's really cool. Something a little, different take on the frame for you guys. Here we've got a simple area for a 4x6 or a collage of photos and embellishments. Here we've got my slide and lock mechanism that keeps this whole thing tidy and intact. So we've got a photo area here. This here you can either do the belly band or omit it. Well, don't you can't omit the belly band because if not, you lose the slide and lock. But the point I'm trying to make here, you can fit a 4x6 in the belly band. Okay, you can fit a 4x6 in there. Okay. And this comes down for another photo. Ooh, there was a decorating opportunity here that I missed. So here is one of the pop-up elements. So you get this little file box, and I always have to hold my pop-up elements like this because my camera is not a frontal camera, it's an overhead camera. So look at how super cool this is, guys. So your photo mats come out like so, and they go in like so. All right, you can put 2 per slot. It all depends how fat you want your album. You have to absolutely think about if you add more than what I'm showing you here, you have to increase your spine, you have to increase your binding system. You have to do several things to make everything fit. All right, so if you do more than what I'm showing you, that is on you, my friends. So super cool pop-up mechanism right here. And that comes down. Pictures and all, you know, all the usual suspects in an album, right? So that moves over, and here we've got another surprise. This is where you're going to see my my pop-up surprise. So again, another open frame, and when you pull, you get a pop-up surprise. You get these super cool cubes that pop out that you can put photos on. All right. So this is like the most fun thing I think I've ever done. I love it so much. I'm doing all sorts of pop-up things as of late, and this is adding to my arsenal of designs. As you can see here, I've got this mat, if you will, of glitter. So this was just a piece of tape I cut and I glittered it, and I did it after the fact, so I did a horrible job centering it, but you can't see it. The point to this is that you need a little friction. All right, you need something rough so these won't tend to slide out with the mat. All right, so I had to figure that out because I kept on testing it and testing it. When I was showing my class a preview of it, I was like, don't blink because you'll miss it. And it was, wah, wah, they slid out the side. I did not get the wow factor the first time around. But as you can see, this slides in there. All right, and again, you got to have that little bit of friction. So see, that's what will happen. And I did that on purpose so you can see. So if you do not, I was holding it with this here. You don't want that to happen because you lose the wow factor. So make sure that you put something here that's going to create some resistance. Okay, guys? You can absolutely put it here too if you want to. It all depends where you want to put this little scratchy resistance thing. So we've got these two little cubes. Do not put more than 2 cubes per open frame, all right, or per frame, because it's not going to work. Okay, these pages are gusseted to fit everything nice and neat, and again, well constructed, guys. You know what I do. So it's just going to be fun if you have, you know, the little kitties, or forget the kitties. For us, this is so cute. You're going to love it. All right. But of course, you know, the kitties will love this as well. So so then the page repeats itself. All right. You get the same frame in the front here, and you pull it out, and got a mat in there, and there's some goodies in there if you want to. And the open space here, the slide and lock mechanism, your photo areas, photo area, and then again, here's that pop-up that I left empty so you guys can see the matting. Look at how beautiful that is. I love those little chickies. So again, another little pop-up box, and you get another slide. And this one I didn't put the scratchy on there, but I will be because I got to make more cubes. So I get 2 more cubes in there. And there's a little, a space for a 4x6. All right, and again, it repeats itself. So there's 3 of everything. Okay, like so. Look at how cute this one. This was just screaming to be cut into, so I cut into the hot air balloon. And again, another slide and lock. And boom, another pop-up, which is, this one is adorable. Love the matting on here. All right, so I walk you through all of this in the videos, guys. I walk you through every single step of the way on how to make the cube size perfectly for my pockets. And this is an origami cube, guys. I did not create this cube. It's been around forever in 10 days. All right. I just took the whole cube idea and put it in my scrapbook. All right. So I think it's super cute. And that goes like this. And then one more pop-up surprise in there. Okay, and then your back pocket, it almost makes this back pocket feel like, less than, but it's still a fabulous pocket for some fun goodies in there. All right, but there's the album. This is my Easter 2018 project, but please do not limit yourself to just Easter. You can make this for any occasion. I am going to give you some super good news. I love this album design so much that I'm going to make this album bigger. I think I can do so much more fun things if I had a larger format album. So look out for that. There will be some different elements in that album that I couldn't fit into this smaller format. So it's going to be a fun, interactive pop-up of all sorts of things that are going to be super fun and you guys are going to enjoy. I don't know when I'm going to make it, but I am going to be making it very, very soon. And you guys know I will share here with you on YouTube the final review so you can check it out. So look at these cubes. I just love them. So this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Be sure to check your purchase options down below. It's really cute. I love these little tabs here. And these tabs are, I want to point out the functionality here, guys. They are scored, all right, because they can go, you can fold them back or forward so that they don't get beat up. If you don't score it, these tabs tend to get beat up and it loses its sturdiness and they won't stay erect. So why not just add the score line so you don't have to worry about it? Okay, I want to tell you that I did something very, very cool with my Hidden Hinge Plus binding system here to accommodate gusseted pages. So if you want to learn how to do that, this is the album that you want to pick to learn how to create that binding system. All right, guys, or the addition to the binding system, which I have to say it's pretty cool. That takes the possibilities beyond endless when you can add gusseted pages to your albums. So check out the description down below. Check out your purchase options. Let me know what you think of the album. You guys know I always love to hear what you think. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.